To my dad, I just want to say him a big thanks and a huge hug from here. Because of you, I finished in a Paralympic podium and I'm sitting here. So I'm really happy and I hope you are proud of me. Society has always, discouraged us. My disability is my height. My classmates used to bully me. They compare things with each other. So everyone has a special skill, and mine was in badminton. My dad was always been there in the front. He have never allowed me and brother to listen to all those things, because as a single father, he have always struggled to bring me and my brother up. So I would happily now say, so I'm establishing in the sports field, and my brother is doing MBBS. He's into 5th year. I'm really happy we have achieved our dad's dream, and he's the happiest person now. This is Nitya Sri Sivan from Tamil Nadu, India, and I'm a para badminton player. I participated and also won a bronze medal in my singles category in Paris Paralympics 2024. Like, it has certain measurements of height and arm length, which concludes that the athlete is having this impairment and can participate in this category. So everyone has a special skill, and mine was in badminton. So it's nice. I'm happy that I have come all this way long and sitting here. So in the beginning, I was an introvert. I doesn't like to show up outside, so I used to stay in always. And my dad and my brother are exactly opposite to me. So they are very much inside sports. So they play cricket, and staying in Tamil Nadu, the love for cricket is like very crazy over there. So my brother is a huge fan of Sachin Tendulkar, and I am a huge fan of Thala Dhoni. Yeah, of course, I am a huge fan of Chennai Super Kings. Initially, even I wanted to start up cricket when I used to accompany my brother in his academy, but there were no female athletes at that time in cricket. And slowly, when he got interest in badminton, he wanted to do it as a part of his fitness. So again, I followed him and I got into badminton. No father likes like his girl to be an introvert. My dad always wanted me to come out of home, talk to everyone and play with everyone. So when I told my dad I can can I take part in this academy, he was the happiest person, allowing me to take a step out of my home. So I joined the academy, and initially the interest in the sport, the craze for learning things was there. In 2016, I saw Linden for the first time, and I got to know about PV Sindhu when she placed a medal in Rio, and I got to know about Saina and so many athletes from India. Then in 2019, I got to know about para badminton through my dad's colleague, because he plays para badminton. He is having impairment in his upper limb, so he plays. I had a triple bronze in World Championship 2022, triple bronze in Asian Games 2022, bronze in World Championship 24, bronze in Paralympics. So it has been always a bronze. So now, looking forward, I have to ignore the silver and I have to catch the gold, which will have my name on it. So looking forward, we have Asian Championship in June, World Championship next year, LA of course, and Khelo India Para Games. Last time I was a gold medalist here, and this time looking forward, it is always nice to play in home ground. After Paris and Paris Olympics and Paralympics both, I have seen a lot of athletes coming up in para sports and able sports. So it is a good vision for us that the sports uh, establishment is really going good and India is in safer hands. Probably a lot of athletes coming up, and I'm sure when there will be Olympics in India, so there will be a lot of podium finishing with our flag. I'm really, I'm sure of that. And to athletes, I would like to say, it is really difficult to come out of the house, but once you will step out, when you see back, you will never regret to that step you took. You will be more happier than before, and your life will completely have a change, like upside down, and everything happens for a reason.